In this question, we are to choose a vector diagram that shows the correct resultant force. So, the strategy for vector addition is always to draw using a tip-to-tail method. There are two criteria to look out for. Number one, a correct tip-to-tail method has the vectors flow in one continuous direction. And the second criteria to look out for is that the resultant vector always connects the starting point of the diagram to the ending point, and it's not the other way around. So with this, the answer is C, and we can take a look at how to construct the vector diagram in option C. We start with the starting point. We start with the first vector, we add on the second vector, add on the third vector. Notice so far that the directions of the vectors, they are flowing in a continuous flow, and finally we add on continue on with the last vector. We reach our ending point. Second criteria to look out for, the resultant vector always starts from the starting point and connect it to the ending point, and that's why option C is the correct option. For option A, there is an error in the flow of the arrows because this arrow flows in this direction. Okay, the second vector is correct, but the third vector has the wrong direction. So the vectors did not flow in one continuous direction. Okay, for option B, the error is in the direction of the resultant force. So the first vector is going up in this way. We continue on adding the second vector, and then lastly the third vector. So far so good. The starting point is here, the ending point is here, and the resultant vector should be from the starting to the ending point, not the other way around. So that's why B is wrong, and option D is not a tip-to-tail method.